दिस इज मूवीज अड्डा और मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट दृष्टि। वेल जैसे कि आप सभी लोग जानते हैं सलमान की मूवी ट्यूबलाइट का तीसरा गाना इज आउट एंड इट इज कंपोज्ड बाय प्रीतम एंड संग बाय नन अदर देन राहत फतेह अली खान। तो आइए जानते हैं फैंस के रिएक्शन। सो बेसिकली एवरी टाइम ड्यूरिंग ईद दिस इज अ ट्रीट फ्रॉम सलमान भाई एंड 23 जून ट्यूबलाइट रिलीज हो रही है। दो बढ़िया से गाने ऑलरेडी रिलीज हो चुके हैं, दैट इज द रेडियो सॉन्ग एंड नाच मेरी जान, और आज ही रिलीज हुआ है उनका एक इमोशनल प्यार भरा गाना जिसने राहत फतेह अली साहब ने उसे गाया है। तो डू यू हैव एनी आइडिया अबाउट द मूवी एंड द सॉन्ग्स?
Rahat and Salman have some great songs earlier too, so it's gonna be on high standards, I think.
Basically, I have idea about the song, but not the movie. I haven't watched the trailer yet, but yes, the songs are awesome.
It's a very emotional song, so let's see how it goes now.
Yeah, I just heard the song and it's good, nice.
Obviously, I think Rahat Fateh Ali Khan is definitely.
And Salman is always Salman. He's a big superstar, so whatever he does will be a hit. I'm sure this movie will be a hit as well.
I just like to say that as we already know that his movies already earn something good and some good message. So hope that in this movie also we get some good message.
So I am basically हर ईद में उनकी मूवी तो आती है. Last time it was Sultan and this time it is Eid. I mean this time it is Tubelight. So we've already heard 2 songs and definitely I'm gonna go and watch this movie as well because he's my, I'm his fan, so then I'll definitely. लेकिन ये मूवी में खास करके सोहेल एंड सलमान are coming together और ये जो गाने की हम बात कर रहे हैं that is picturized on them and the bonding and the love. So what do you have to talk about the connection? और इतना emotional वाला गाना है. So what do you have to say about it?
Yeah, I think their fans will be excited, although I don't count one of them. But hopefully, yeah, they're good in whatever movies I've watched. So hopefully this will be good as well.
Let's see. I think it's going to be really suspicious to all of us. So we're just waiting now कि कैसा आता है कैसे and how things goes up well. So it was long back Karan Arjun and now अभी के ज़माने में 2000s में जो आएगा that would be really something shocking to us. Something shocking and surprising as well.
Yeah, sure. I will watch this movie and I'll see how it is. Usually I don't watch Bollywood movies, but this one I'll try to watch.
Sure.
Already as you said that we have seen that chemistry off screen and on screen because we have seen some of their movie couple of times where they work together, so they have a good connection. So just nothing but just we love to see their connection in real life and both the thing.
Basic attraction is that it's sung by Rahat Fateh Ali Khan, you see. So now the level has rised
definitely,
up.
Yeah.
And also we are talking about Arijit Singh को क्यों नहीं मौका मिल रहा है. But when we have veteran singers like him, like Rahat. So what do you have to say?
Yeah, I like Rahat Fateh Ali Khan as a singer. He sings really nice. I like his songs. Although I have to be honest, I don't listen to the recent ones, but I know the older ones.
Rahat Fateh Ali Khan, he's a very good singer, so definitely I have to listen to that song.
Definitely, I think Arijit is again, he's one of my favorite singers after Atif Aslam, so he should be given a chance. But yeah, again, Rahat Fateh Ali Khan is also best at what he does, so I think it's okay. I mean, Arijit को भी मिलेगा chance, नहीं मिले then also it's okay. He'll have much more opportunities later on coming in life.
Well, I'm really not sure about that as well. I'm being very diplomatic with you right now. I don't want to comment anything when it comes to Salman Khan's movies. Okay.
So I guess Arijit Singh won't get any chance because उसने भाई का पंगा लिया है, so I don't think so he will get any chance.
I think he should be given a chance. Yes.
Obviously, I mean, he's a good singer as well. So.
नहीं, Rahat Fateh Ali best.
He's happy with that.
Salman unlucky है शायद. I go for the Arijit.
Big statement, guys. प्यारा सा मैसेज दे सकते हैं सलमान खान को for Eid and for his upcoming movie Tubelight.
I'll wish him best of luck for his movie and Eid Mubarak in advance.
Happy Eid, Salman, and yeah, as I told, you're a rock star, so keep on rocking.
So Salman, there are many criticizers of yours. So there are people who criticize you in everything that you do. But then the best thing about him and his personality is that he doesn't give a care to them. So that's what I would like to tell him, that stay however you are and whatever you do is just amazing and we fans love you the way you are. So Eid Mubarak ho bhai.
Best of luck, Salman bhai.
Right, come and meet me please. I would love to meet you.
Wish you all the luck. Wish you all the luck.
I hope your movie becomes a great success.
All the best for the movie.
All the best, bro.
Alright people, so ये था all the excitement for तिनका तिनका और सलमान के फैंस ने बिल्कुल जाहिर किया है उनका प्यार. तो आप भी इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, फॉलो करें एंड सब्सक्राइब टू मूवीज अड्डा. दिस इज योर होस्ट दृष्टि साइनिंग ऑफ.